Hey there, welcome back to another video by Chemical Engineering Life. In this video, we bring to you the top 5 mistakes to avoid in a chemical engineering career, so do watch the video till the very end to find out the mistakes that you should be avoiding. And if you do enjoy the video, then remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life channel for more videos. Let's begin. The mistake that we have at number 5 is underestimating the power of networking. Many engineers, they actually shy away from networking because it feels uncomfortable or unnecessary. But this is one of the biggest missed opportunities in your profession. That is because connections or networks, they lead to mentorships, collaborations, job referrals, and insider knowledge that you simply can't get from job boards or courses. And quite frankly, networking doesn't have to be awkward. You can start by talking with your professors, joining engineering societies, attending conferences, or even engaging on LinkedIn. Building relationships early will create a support system that can guide you throughout your entire career. So therefore, do not underestimate the power of networking and the influence it can have on your career. Mistake number 4 is staying too narrow in your skill set. Chemical engineering touches countless industries, some of them being energy, pharmaceuticals, food processing, materials, environmental engineering, and many more. Limiting yourself to merely one niche too early can restrict your career options and slow down your growth. While specialization is valuable, it is equally important to explore different sectors and develop transferable skills like process optimization, data analysis, and project management. Being adaptable will open the doors to new opportunities, including emerging fields like renewable energy, sustainability, and biotech. Therefore, avoid getting caged down into one niche field, but rather keep your doors open to any opportunity that might come your way. Mistake number 3 is not developing strong communication skills. A surprising number of chemical engineers rely heavily on their technical expertise, but they neglect the communication side of the job. Whether you are presenting data, writing reports, or translating complex concepts for non-engineers, your ability to communicate clearly is essential. Pure communication can cause project delays, misunderstandings, or even operational risks. But rather, when you focus on developing strong writing and speaking skills, you stand out immediately because great engineers don't just solve problems, they also explain them well. Mistake number 2 is not staying updated with industry tools and trends. Another major mistake many chemical engineers make is assuming that the tools and technologies they learn in school will carry them throughout their entire career. And that couldn't be further away from the truth. And that is because the industry is evolving constantly. There are new simulation softwares, sustainability standards, automation technologies, and data-driven decision-making tools that are emerging every single year. Chemical engineers who don't keep up risk falling behind, especially as companies increasingly rely on digitalization and advanced analytics. Therefore, staying curious, taking short courses, and exploring new softwares will keep your skill set relevant and show employers that you are indeed adaptable. And this habit not only makes you more effective, but will also keep you relevant for the industry and also open the door to leadership roles and cutting-edge projects. The mistake number 1 is ignoring the importance of practical experience. One of the biggest mistakes chemical engineers and early career professionals make is focusing solely on theoretical knowledge while overlooking hands-on experience. Chemical engineering is a field where understanding real-world processes, equipments, and safety practices makes up all the difference. Therefore, internships, lab work, and plant visits expose you to situations you will never fully grasp from textbooks alone. Without this practical foundation, transitioning into industry can feel a bit overwhelming. Therefore, getting your hands dirty early on not only builds confidence, but also makes you far more competitive in the job market. So these were the top 5 mistakes that chemical engineers should avoid making in their career. If you agree or disagree, then do tell us in the comments below. And also learn more about Chemical Engineering Life at our website www.cheminglife.com. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cheminglife channel for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.